Hello, children, and welcome back. I'm your host, Miss Lisa, but you can also call me Teacher Lisa. Today's story is called The Old Woman Who Lived in a Shoe. This story is retold by Russell Punter and illustrated by Joel Dryden. Let's get started. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children, she didn't know what to do. There was Hannah and Harry and Sarah and Sam. There was Aisha and Abdul and Daisy and Dan. There was Gwen, who was greedy, and Stan, who was small. There was Sean, who was short, and Tom, who was tall. There was Jasmine and Jeremy, Sandeep and Grace. Boys and girls all over the place. Ying and Yasmin, Jacob and Joe, squeezed in together with no room to grow. "This shoe is too full," said the old woman one day. "We must get another. I'll look right away." With a list of the shoe stores, she went to them all. But the boots were too tiny and the shoes were too small. Aww. She was on her way home by the side of a river when she met a huge giant. He gave a sad quiver. "Please help," sobbed the giant. "There's a crab on my toe." The old woman took hold and pulled it off, just like so. "Thanks," said the giant. "Now can I help you?" "Well," said the old woman, "I would like your shoe." "Of course," said the giant, and he gave her his shoe. "And for being so helpful, take the other one too." Now all the children have space to have fun, and the little old woman can knit in the sun. The end. Thank you for joining me today, and remember that you are smart, you are beautiful, and you are super duper extra special. Have a great day. Bye.